Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding women, beautiful and stylish crochet skirts designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies. Those ladies who love to wear such type of skirts designs, beautiful designing ideas, flower skirt designs, beautiful designs, mini, midi and long skirt designs, every type of skirt you can see in this my channel, in this my video. You can visit my channel for more designs and more ideas about crochet. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish and beautiful crochet skirts designs. You can wear these very beautiful skirts with matching blouse designs, top designs, scarf designs, shoes designs and ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful skirts designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of women stylish and beautiful crochet skirts designs. You can made easily these very beautiful skirts if you know crochet work. Latest designs, latest ideas for stylish ladies, stylish women, every type of age women can wear these very beautiful skirts. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.